Paola leaves tomorrow, so hopefully I can get to go see her tonight or tomorrow. Got the hanging tent all set up. It's funny how the kids are fighting over it. It's supposed to start when you push the button, but can't open the door because they will fly away. Must be worms coming up. Hello, Mappa fans. We got Amanda's kids here to do my hair.
I want you to video me how fast I can go down the pool.
Okay, go ahead.
But
Outfit of the day is this black shirt that's really nice, lightweight chiffon for a hot day. And I got my stressed pants on, de-stressed. So those are really comfortable. And a little choker on. Okay, Papa wants me to come see something. He's been out edging or weeding. Says he got the generator going.
Yeah.
We weren't able to get that going.
Because it was too cold out.
Too cold out. There it goes. Good deal. Yeah. That will generate our whole house. Nice. So it wasn't able to start all winter, now you got it going.
I only tried it once in the winter.
Yeah.
Wouldn't even turn over. And this is nice warm weather. I did a half pool just to get it out, and then a
Wow.
full pool, and it started.
That's awesome. Good job, hon.
Tell them what it'll do for
It'll do the whole
electricity.
house.
The whole house.
Yeah.
That includes 2 big freezers.
Yeah. Awesome.
Come up a little, do a little closer so you can see what kind of, guess what this is? It's not that, show them what that is. That is an air conditioner, one for upstairs. It's about in the 80s today. I don't want to get a burnt wind neck. This little baby will generate enough electricity for 2 freezers and a refrigerator and all the devices and everything up and downstairs, computers, everything. And it's run by gasoline. So this is good, especially if you have stuff in the freezer and
Okay.
the lights are out. Okay.
See if you can start her
I'm
up.
going to show you, come over here and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, there's 2 things you got to do. The gasoline goes like this, so you have to turn that straight up and down. And the only other thing you got to do is, it says run. Actually, it says choke and run. It's usually choke to start up.
Okay.
So I'm going to do it. Now the skinny arms, so take a look. I use this just so I don't fall over. What's your money going to say?
2. Oh, no, I think I'm supposed to have choke on. Yeah, it's supposed to be choke.
It's been running for a while, so.
Maybe it's out of gas.
No,
We'll come back.
try one more time. Why don't you try it?
No thanks.
Okay.
Edging out here now. Kitty's hiding up in there. Garden's growing, getting bigger. Papa O's resting spot. Oh, you got it all edged here. Good. Oh, that cut right down to the dirt. Oh, that ought to do it. And Davy and April, Julianne and Rochelle are all coming home from Lake Powell. And Paola leaves tomorrow, so hopefully I can get to go see her tonight or tomorrow. Because I want to be able to say goodbye to her. I kind of said goodbye a couple weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, but I want to do an official goodbye because I don't know if I'll see her again. So what's the third thing? Start?
Yeah, see,
That
it was on
helps.
stop.
Okay, he says it need to start. Okay.
Here, so I can show you what I do.
Okay.
See, it says run off. See, it
Off.
was on
It was
off.
off. It was on
And I
off.
didn't have it on start.
Start.
Okay.
Start. Okay.
Now let's do
I
it.
think it's gonna start.
Well, I think so too.
Hats on. Hats on.
Gas is on. Choke's on. It's supposed to start when you push the button, but. Oh,
Wait a minute.
Let's try it again.
One third.
Let's let it cool down. It's so hot out there. Oh, I'm so proud of that. Tomorrow is Father's Day, and Papa O got a card from Jimmy Joe and a package. Wonder what that could be. Well, let's see what today brings. Got the lawn mowed and doing some watering. Pretty day today. Got the hanging tent all set up. It's funny how the kids are fighting over it. We'll see how it does tomorrow. It's up just high enough that Chase, I think Evie can even fit in there. And it's got the lights, little place turning on there. I think that'll be cute. From JJ, thanks for keeping me alive. You know, with the food and roof and stuff. Yeah, right. Oh, nice. Turn around. That's the raincoat. A raincoat for Papa O. It's been raining so much.
Yep.
Jimmy Joe said, let's get you a raincoat. That's a nice. It's long enough.
Yep.
Velcro over the top.
Velcro
Looking
over
good.
the top.
And a thing like this.
And look, you can make them
Make it
tighter.
That's nice. Good deal. That's cute. That little bird is playing in the sprinkler down there. Oh, there's another one coming over there. Cute. Little bird bath. Oh, here comes two of them. Oh, some more are coming. How come they're all coming? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sitting on the fence. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess they're just passing through. Looking for worms, guys. Cute. Came downstairs. Can't open the door because they will fly away. Must be worms coming up. Oh, they're getting closer. I don't know what kind of birds those are. The cats are out back, so they're not going to go out back. This is when the cats catch them, is when they're down on the ground, not paying attention. Cat's coming, you better run. I don't know what scared them off. And outfit of the day is this cute shirt. Tuck it in the front all the way. And then back here. And what kind of earrings have I got on? And here is a skirt, Levi skirt with the same shirt that rhymes. And this is a fun, it's got a French cut on the bottom. It's a fun little Levi skirt. Okay, let's go ahead and close. What a fun day it was today. A lot of fun stuff. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. What do you guys think about that one? Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And remember to look for the rose, and let's see what tomorrow brings.